Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, a 50-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. And on here we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that grow in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free. And turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we upload a new video. So stinging nettle is a medicinal plant that is known for its amazing health benefits. Historically used in traditional medicine across various cultures, stinging nettle has gained attention for its wide range of therapeutic properties. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 health benefits of stinging nettle for men, available forms of stinging nettle, dosage and usage, where to get it to buy, and some precautions. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Stinging nettle is one of the common names for a herb that is scientifically known as Urtica dioica. It's a weedy perennial plant that belongs to the Urticaceae plant family and can be found growing all over the world. Recognizable by its heart-shaped leaves and serrated edges, the plant is covered with tiny hair-like structures called trichomes, which release a mixture of chemicals when touched, causing a stinging sensation. This defense mechanism has earned the plant its common name stinging nettle. It's a well-known plant in herbal medicine, and its young leaves are edible. They're very nutritious and are usually cooked as a pot herb. One of the most significant benefits of stinging nettle for men is its positive effect on prostate health. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, also known as BPH, a common condition characterized by an enlarged prostate gland, affects many men as they age. Symptoms of BPH include frequent urination, difficulty in starting and maintaining urination, and incomplete bladder emptying. Studies have shown that stinging nettle root can alleviate these symptoms. It works by inhibiting the activity of certain enzymes and proteins that contribute to the enlargement of the prostate. Stinging nettle also plays a crucial role in improving urinary function. Its diuretic properties help increase urine output, which can aid in flushing out toxins from the body and prevent urinary tract infections. For men with BPH, this is particularly beneficial as it helps reduce residual urine volume and enhances overall urinary flow. The anti-inflammatory properties of stinging nettle further contribute to soothing the urinary tract and reducing discomfort associated with urinary issues. Another important benefit of stinging nettle is its potential to influence testosterone levels. Testosterone is a critical hormone in men, affecting muscle mass, bone density, libido, and overall energy levels. Stinging nettle contains compounds that can bind to sex hormone binding globulin, also known as SHBG, a protein that binds to testosterone and reduces its availability in the body. By inhibiting SHBG, stinging nettle can help increase the levels of free testosterone, thereby potentially improving various physiological and sexual functions in men. Stinging nettle is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can contribute to general well-being. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are underlying factors in many health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The antioxidants in stinging nettle help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative damage. This can lead to improved immune function, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. For men who suffer from joint pain and arthritis, stinging nettle offers relief through its anti-inflammatory effects. It has been traditionally used to treat arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Topical application of stinging nettle or consumption of its tea can help reduce pain and improve joint function. The presence of compounds like quercetin and camphorol in nettle contributes to its effectiveness in managing inflammation and pain. Stinging nettle is also a nutritional powerhouse, providing essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, C, D, E, K, and several B vitamins, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients support various bodily functions, including bone health, muscle function, and immune response. For men, maintaining adequate levels of these nutrients is crucial for overall health and vitality. Stinging nettle is also beneficial for hair health. It has properties that can strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and promote hair growth, which is particularly beneficial for men experiencing hair thinning or loss. The appropriate dosage of stinging nettle can vary based on the form used and the specific health condition being addressed. For example, the Arthritis Foundation suggests that you can take up to 1,300 milligrams of stinging nettle in the form of a tea, capsules, tablet, tincture, or extract. You can also take the tincture in the form of 1 to 4 milligrams per day, or you can put the creams directly onto your skin. A lot of these studies use a capsule or extract of the plant, but there aren't any official guidelines for you to follow as yet. It's recommended for you to follow the manufacturer's instructions on the product label and to talk to a healthcare provider to decide on the right dosage for your individual needs. Stinging nettle root extract is available in the forms of capsules or tablets. These are easy to use and convenient for daily supplementation. They also have tinctures, which are liquid extracts that can be taken directly or mixed with water or juice. You also have the powder, which can be added to smoothies or other beverages. Stinging nettle leaf tea is available in the form of tea bags. These are convenient and easy to prepare. They also have the loose leaves. These offer flexibility in strength and blend customization. Stinging nettle juice is also available. Stinging nettle supplements are often combined with other herbal treatments, such as saw palmetto and pumpkin seed extract, to enhance prostate health benefits. You also have topical application, which are creams or ointments for anti-inflammatory effects, primarily for joint pain and arthritis. A lot of these products can be bought on Amazon. To take a look at some of them, please click on the links in the description below. The FDA does not regulate the ingredients and strengths of stinging nettle products. People should therefore use stinging nettle products with caution. Stinging nettle can cause side effects and can interact with other herbs, supplements, or medications. For these reasons, you should speak with your healthcare provider before using it. It can have diuretic effects, so if you have kidney or bladder issues, please speak with your healthcare provider before using it. That's it for now, my beautiful people. I hope you found value in the information provided. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.